Video of our machine 6015 running direct. Has a panel box with the drive in it, but the push button controls are on the press, so we're going to run it direct. Go ahead, Brent. Mandrels are going in right now. Closing. Mandrels returning to open. We're going to run a second video showing the vary drive. Here's a video of machine 6015, our American reel. Running direct. We have 5 keepers. There is a vary drive to control the speed of this. It's in the panel box. All the push button controls are still on the press. There's the vary drive, wired 460.